Welcome back to our channel, Happy Healthy Life. Today we delve into one of the most important aspects of family life, mealtime. As parents, we know how difficult it is to prepare meals that meet not only our nutritional needs, but also our children's nutritional needs. But it doesn't have to worry. In this video we will share with you some great tips and recipes to prepare family-friendly, balanced and nutritious meals that will be loved by adults and children alike at the table. And let's start this culinary adventure together. When it comes to family-friendly meals, the key is finding a balance between nutrition and taste. One great way to achieve this is by incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your dishes. Not only do they add flavor and texture, but they're also packed with essential vitamins and minerals that are vital for growing bodies. Another tip is to get creative with your cooking methods. Instead of frying foods, try baking, grilling, or steaming them for a healthier alternative. You can also experiment with different herbs and spices to add flavor without relying on heavy sauces or seasonings. For example, try using fresh herbs like basil, parsley, or cilantro to elevate the taste of your dishes. Of course, getting your kids involved in the kitchen is another fantastic way to encourage healthy eating habits. Not only does it teach them valuable cooking skills, but it also empowers them to make healthier food choices. So, don't be afraid to let them lend a hand in meal preparation. You can start by assigning age-appropriate tasks like washing vegetables, stirring ingredients, or setting the table. Now, let's talk about some specific family-friendly meal ideas. One of our favorites is a build-your-own taco night. Simply set out a variety of fillings like grilled chicken, black beans, avocado, salsa, shredded cheese, lettuce, and diced tomatoes, and let everyone customize their own tacos to their liking. It's a fun and interactive way to ensure that everyone gets exactly what they want. Another crowd pleaser is homemade pizza night. Instead of ordering takeout, why not make your own pizzas at home? You can use whole wheat pizza dough for a healthier base and let everyone choose their own toppings. From classic pepperoni and cheese to veggie-loaded creations, the possibilities are endless. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in some extra veggies for picky eaters. It's an opportunity to come together as a family, share stories, and create lasting memories. So, get cooking, and enjoy the wonderful journey of family meals together. Thanks for tuning in today, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!